Integrating Stripe Payment Gateway with Node.js is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to create a Stripe account and obtain your API keys. To do this, go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account. Once you have created your account, go to the dashboard and click on the Developers tab. Then click on API keys. You will see two types of API keys: publishable and secret. The publishable key is used for client-side operations such as creating payment forms, while the secret key is used for server-side operations such as creating charges. Next, you need to install the Stripe library for Node.js. You can do this by running the command npm install stripe in your terminal. Once the library is installed, you can import it into your Node.js file and start using it. To create a charge, you need to import the Stripe library and set your secret API key. Then you can use the create method of the payment method class to create a payment method, and the create method of the payment intent class to create a payment intent. After creating the payment intent, you can use the confirm method of the payment intent class to confirm the payment. This will charge the customer's card and return a response indicating whether the payment was successful or not. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly. You can do this by wrapping your code in try-catch blocks and logging any errors that occur. In a real-world application, you would typically want to store the payment intent and payment method in a database and retrieve them when needed. You would also want to handle different types of payments, such as subscriptions and refunds. Best practices for integrating Stripe with Node.js include using environment variables to store your API keys, and using a secure protocol such as HTTPS to encrypt your payments. You should also make sure to test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can integrate Stripe Payment Gateway with Node.js and start accepting payments in your application. This will allow you to provide a seamless payment experience for your customers and help you to grow your business.